Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to install the electronic parking brake and the headlight switch on your S550, and I'm going to do it backwards so that, because it's kind of easier, because I already took it out basically. But this one is easy, so you plug those wires in and you see that there are two clips, so you just push it in like so. So to take it out, you press down these two clips and you take it out. Okay, that's easy enough. The lights, however, are not so easy. Now, there are two clips on this side, but on the other side there are no clips. There's a screw. Okay, and that's important because I'm not going to get it out any other way. So first, this is the cable right here. It goes in right there, so I'm just going to put that in. Give me a sec. Okay. So that's in. The cable is in. Now, again, there's a screw, so you got to put it this way and in. Got to make sure the screw is in first. Now, oh, I should mention, this is obviously it's for the fuses. You got to take this out first. When I'm putting it back in, I'll show it to you. But the screw that goes in here is actually a little hidden. It took me a while to find it. It's right there. So it's right inside there. So when you go back a little bit, it's right inside there. I didn't know it was a screw at first. It took me a while. So the screw is still in there. I'm gonna pull this out, but I didn't want to pull it out. You can see the screw moving around in there. And the size of the screw is actually one of these. For everything, for the fuse box and everything. It's one of these. I'm not sure what size this is. It's a T20 hex. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera down for a second and try to get the screw in, and we'll go from there. Okay, I ended up taking the screw out. I didn't want to, but it's just giving me a lot of grief. So push it in, push this side in first, and then just push that. It snaps in and snaps back out. So to take it out, you put your hand in the back, reach in the back, and you squeeze both of those two clips. Both of those two clips on the side. So, I know I'm over explaining this. So basically you do that when your hand is inside of there. And it snaps back in. I don't know why they couldn't just make it as simple as snapping in, but oh well. Like the one below. Alright, so I'm going to need two hands for this again. Putting the screw back in. I don't know why it's so hidden. No one has seen it anyway. Why are they hiding it? Alright, I'm going to put this down. In. Alright, so that's in. That's good. This goes in this way first. Oh, wait a minute. Could be wrong. Oh, this has to go over in here first. Alright. Put the wire inside. I need 2 hands. Okay, so that's in there, and that's in there. And, well, this is self-explanatory. Try not to touch any of the fuses with anything metal to short the car and end up with more problems, please. All right, and just to finish the video, this cover goes in there, but it has like a little hinge like thing, so you got to get it in there. And you close it. Just snap it in. I'm not finished yet, so I'm not going to snap it in, but you snap it in, you get the idea. Alright, thanks for watching.